Are you helping her walk? Good job, Sam. Good job, you're helping her walk.
Why wouldn't you know how to walk?
Because she's little, we have to teach her how to walk. There she goes. Where's she going, Lucy? You gonna go get him? There she goes, Sam. Go get him.
Oh, now here comes.
Oh, she sat down. Tell her to stand up. She's standing up. Go get Sam.
Can we get her? I'm bigger than Lucy. Hi, I'm bigger than Lucy.
Yeah, you're bigger than Lucy. Can you hold her hand and get her to walk? All right, that's enough.